Welcome back to PropellerHeads TV. I'm your host, Matt Sloan, CEO of Skyfire Consulting. If you're not familiar with us, we provide safe and legal drone programs for public safety agencies all around the country. Today we're going to be talking about the DJI Smart Controller, a relatively new product in the DJI Enterprise line. So here we have the Smart Controller. It's actually $749, and what's so cool about this is it's got a built-in screen. It's a 5.5-inch screen, so the same size as the smaller Crystal Sky monitor. But when you think about taking the Enterprise controller and trying to fit a Crystal Sky on there, you need all kinds of different mounts and it gets really cumbersome. So that's why the Smart Controller is a great idea. I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour around the controller. So as you can see, this is actually replicating the DJI Pilot app. Today we have the Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual that's connected to it. So you can see the thermal imaging on there. You've got all the different functions and features and buttons on the screen itself that you would on the Crystal Sky. And so I love this because you don't have to have a separate piece of equipment. You charge one thing, you take it out of your bag, you don't need mounts and connectors and extra batteries and anything like that. So again, you've got the full replication of the Pilot app here. On the controller itself, it looks exactly like the Enterprise controller. So you've got, of course, your sticks, your return to home, your smart feature pause, and all your different modes and stuff like that on there. What is really nice about this, previously there was no good way to do an HDMI output from the Mavic 2 Enterprise controller. So now with the Smart Controller, on the back here you've got an HDMI, full-size HDMI output as well as the USB output. On the back here you still have the same C1 and C2 buttons, and you've got a convenient little storage case for your control sticks there. So when you go to pack it in your case, you can actually just unscrew these and take them right off. So again, this controller is $749. It will work with the Mavic 2 Zoom, the Mavic 2 Enterprise, the Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual, and of course the Mavic 2 Pro. And if you are interested in buying one, you can get it here at Skyfire Consulting. That'll do it for this week's episode. We'll see you next time here on PropellerHeads TV. And if you like what you're seeing, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel or shoot us an email if you want to be part of our PropellerHeads newsletter. See you next time.